Hi everyone, welcome to your Careers and Employability Induction Screencast. My name is Adam and I'm an Employability Advisor here at Hallam. This screencast will focus on Careers and Employability Service and how we can support you this year as a Hallam student. So as a returning student, you may be aware of the Careers and Employability Support offer already, but in case, here are some reminders. We offer employability advice on work experience, finding work opportunities, so this could be internships, placements, part-time work, or in the future graduate roles. If you're interested in working for yourself, we also have support from the enterprise team who are based at the Hallam iLab, and we also have an ongoing support offer for graduates after they have completed their final year. You may be aware that we have now moved from the Careers Connect space and we are based in the Owen building in our new Careers and Employability Hub. This is on level 2 off the atrium in the Owen building. This is where we offer appointments, drop-in sessions, and workshops. And we will also be continuing to offer appointments and drop-in sessions at the collegiate campus too. Sheffield Hallam's support for you is made up of 3 dedicated advisors: an academic advisor, student support advisor, and an employability advisor. One helps with your studies, one provides any personal support or advice you need, and one helps you start or advance your career. They'll be with you every step of the way, so they'll get to know your needs and interests, giving you a dedicated personal support service from the moment you start right through to graduation. Here's a bit of a reminder of the different types of appointments that we offer, and it's important that you know the difference because in order for us to be able to support you the best. So our 30-minute advice appointments are to support with kind of CVs, applications, interview preparation, potentially searching for roles or discussing next steps. And these you are able to book online yourself. You can also book a guidance appointment, and guidance appointments are 40 minutes long, and these are for students who are struggling with a decision. They're possibly considering changing their course, or they just want a little bit of extra time and information to decide their next steps. You have to contact the Careers and Employability Service directly in order to book these appointments. So you would need to come to the Careers and Employability Hub or contact us, and all of the contact details will be on the final slide of this presentation. We also have practice interviews, and these are 45 minutes long, and they are there to help you prepare for real-world interviews that you have been invited for. So you must have an interview lined up in order to book a practice interview. Again, use the contact details on the final slide if you would like to book a practice interview. Before booking an appointment, though, it's also important to know that we have a wealth of resources online to help you with all aspects of employability. So please make sure you head to www.shu.ac.uk/careers for information about applications, employability programs, and also this is where, if you do want to book an appointment online, this is also where you can do that. So the enterprise team are here to support you with your startup business ideas, and they're based on the 6th floor of the Aspect Court building in the Hallam iLab. They're happy to support you with lots of different workshops and events and giving you an opportunity to sell your products if you do have products to sell. Thinking about work experience might not have been your top priority in your first year, but heading into your second year is the perfect time to start thinking about gaining some work experience, because graduate employers will value all types of work experience. So it's important that you make sure you have thought about things like volunteering, placements, which I'll come on to next, part-time work, and any other kind of opportunities like the career mentoring scheme. There's other opportunities online for work experience through platforms such as The Forage. This is a virtual job simulation platform. And also as a Hallam student, you have free access to LinkedIn Learning, which again is industry-specific training and certifications that you can complete online. So the Careers and Employability Service, we're going to do everything we can to help you find work opportunities. In autumn and spring, we will have a large careers fair. It's where over 100 employers will be on campus to talk to you about their opportunities. And we also have lots of employers on campus throughout the year. So please keep checking Handshake for either the virtual or in-person events that take place throughout the year. One way that you can gain industry-specific knowledge and skills is by completing a placement year, and this gives you the opportunity to apply the knowledge that you've gained so far in your degree and get some experience to help you when you graduate. So the placement year is a period of work experience between second and third year, and it gives you the opportunity to gain that real-world experience to support your future, gaining industry-specific skills and knowledge. Statistically, students that complete placement years are more likely to advance quicker in their career, and also the latest research has said that students that complete a placement year are £5,500 more or better off than those that have not when they go on to graduate in their graduate salaries. If you're not able to, or you don't wish to complete a placement year because these are completely optional, then there are the options to do summer internships between your second and third year as well. So these are a shorter period of work, between 2 to 10 weeks long, and they are a great option to get short periods of relevant work experience in your field. And the Careers and Employability Service can help you in your search for experiences, application checks, and also any interview preparation. So as you enter your second year, it's worth reflecting on your achievements at university so far and thinking about what do you have to offer employers, and ensure that you make the most of your time at Hallam to fill any gaps before you do graduate. So my advice would be to look for gaps in your skill set and use the next couple of years to bridge those gaps. This could be through work, volunteering, or other extracurricular activities. And the table on the screen will give you a good indication of how you should be developing outside of the curriculum as a Hallam student. Having a degree is an excellent accolade, but use this year and the years ahead to make sure that you are attractive to employers and take on all of the opportunities that are available to you. So maybe think about doing the Hallam Award or becoming a student ambassador alongside any part-time work or volunteering that you might already be doing. Thank you for listening to this short introduction to the Careers and Employability Service. You can find us using the information on the screen, and the QR code will take you directly to the Careers and Employability website, where you can book an appointment, access all of our